My name is Mari Bowie, and I'm going to talk to you about why attorneys cannot guarantee case outcomes. So attorneys, you probably hear the word or the phrase, it depends. Or, I can't guarantee this, I can't say for sure. That's because we're not allowed to guarantee outcomes. It's actually very unethical for us to do so. Attorneys are governed by very, very strict rules that we have to follow, or else we can lose our license. And one of those rules are being not guaranteeing outcomes. Now, the reason why we're not specifically allowed to guarantee outcomes is because really, we just don't know how something is going to turn out. If you're on a bench trial, and a bench trial is when it's only a judge, really, technically, there's a 50-50 chance that a judge can rule in your favor. And depending on the facts, it's not always 50-50. So you can never say what someone who is not you is going to do. And so it's really unethical for an attorney to guarantee an outcome, no matter how good your case looks, just because you truly never know what's going to happen. There's so many factors. You don't know. To you, one factor may look important. To your attorney, another factor may look important. And then to a judge, another factor may look important. You really can never know what specifically is going to really sway someone, and so that's why we cannot guarantee an outcome. And it's even more hard when you have jury trials, because you're talking about 12 different people who we do not know. We do not know what affects them, what they think, their background, their history, their knowledge, their education, their family history, their friendships. It's way too many factors and variables that you have to really say concretely what will happen. And any attorney that guarantees a result is acting very unethically, because you really don't know. And it's also really important to not falsely give your client a sense of hope. It's important for attorneys to be honest with their clients, to tell them the maximum exposure and the minimum exposure and the risks that come. That way a client is prepared. By telling a client that you can guarantee an outcome and that outcome doesn't happen, you're misleading your client. And attorneys have a duty to be truthful, and we cannot mislead our clients. We have to make sure that our communication is to the level to where our client is not misdirected, makes the decisions fully informed of what the risks are. And that is why it's really important that attorneys do not guarantee outcomes. And that is why most attorneys, if not all, do not guarantee outcomes. It's just too many variables. And again, it's unethical to do so. We can only tell you the possibilities. We can tell you how strong of a hunch we have possibly, but we can never guarantee without a doubt an outcome. It's just wrong to do so. And it's just way too much at play to really say without a doubt what may not or what will happen. And so that's why we can't guarantee results. But if you are interested in an attorney, if you find yourself in criminal trouble, please make sure to reach out to the Nieves law firm and see how we can help you.